How to enroll in Wells Fargo online banking. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can enroll in Wells Fargo online banking. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser, head towards the search bar, then there tap in wellsfargo.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. Here you will find a login prompt on your left hand side. So if to create an account, you have to head over to enroll button or enroll option next to sign on button. Now you'll be taken into next prompt where you can create your account. Here it says let's set up your online access. For that, first of all, you have to provide your social security number or ITIN. So click on this text field, enter your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Under that, there is a text field to enter your date of birth. So make sure you provide your correct date of birth and your SSN or ITIN number. Once you're done with that, you have to click on continue. And on the next step, you may be prompted to enter your personal details or to set up your online credential. So make sure that you follow all of the prompts and instructions carefully, and once you complete or once you provide all of your information and create your credential, you may have an online account which you can use to log in into your Wells Fargo online account. So that's the way to enroll into Wells Fargo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.